or you need somebody to mentor you in forex trading, then you are watching the right person. That's Ruta FX. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, send me a DM, and then I'll add you to my trading community, and I'll teach you how to trade as well. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the moving average to make your trading decisions, to know when to buy and when to sell the market. When I started trading, I used different kinds of indicators, from one indicator to the other, testing this, then later I tested this. But I realized that if you know how to use the moving average correctly as a beginner trader, it will help you to make some money on the forex market. So watch it out, and then let me teach you how to use the moving average indicator. So when you open the chart, okay, first of all, this is the MT5. This is the MT5, how it appears on the PC. And so when you open the chart, first of all, you want to add the indicators to the chart. Okay, so you select the icon insert, then you click on insert. Okay, after clicking on insert, we have indicators, we have objects, experts, and then scripts. So you click on indicators, then you click on trend. So we have trending indicators, so you click on trend. Then after that, you select moving average, so you click on moving average. Now the moving average, we have different types of moving average. We have simple moving average and we have exponential moving average. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the exponential moving average, or EMA. So first of all, I will use the 9 period exponential moving average, and then the color that I want it to appear on the chart is red, and then I want 9. So then the 9 exponential moving average is going to act as a fast moving exponential moving average. So you select that 9, and then the color I want it to appear on my chart is red. So I'll just click on it and then click on OK. Then it will appear on the chart. Then the next exponential moving average, I want to add it to the chart, is the 21 exponential moving average. So I'll change the 9 to 21, and then I'll change the color. I want it to be blue, so I'll change the color to blue, then click on OK. So this is how the 21 exponential moving average appears on the chart. Okay, so I want to make the line a little bit thicker. Great. So this is how the 21 exponential moving average, which is the blue line, and then the 9 exponential moving average, which is the red line, this is how it appears on the chart. So how do you trade it? You check when the moving average is crossing over. So first of all, when you open your chart, the first thing you have to do is check your levels. Where do you think the market is going to turn? So for example, when you check this area, this is a reversal point where the market reverses. So you mark that area on the chart. Okay, so once you mark that area, then the next thing you should do is watch what the market does at that area. So you know that this market, for example, when you check this particular area, when the market retests this area, it left this huge wick over there is huge rejection over there, and then you realize that the 9 exponential moving average started crossing over the 21 exponential moving average, that's an indication that the market will sell. Then immediately you sell the market. Then your target should be the demand area on the chart. So when you observe it closely, anytime the 9 exponential moving average crosses the 21 exponential moving average, the market goes high. If it cross high, it goes high. If it cross below, the market sell. So this is a simple strategy as a beginner trader you can use to scalp on the market and then make a lot of money on the market. So if you are interested in forex trading, send me a DM. I'll add you to my trading community and then I'll teach you for free. I will not take you anything, help you to get a strategy, and then you will also make money on the forex market. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share as well for others to take advantage of this video. So if you check this side too, you realize that when the 9 exponential moving average crosses the 21 exponential moving average, the market pulls strongly to the upside. Market retests the 21 exponential moving average and then continues to push higher. Okay, so this is a simple strategy that a beginner trader you can use to make a lot of money, to flip your account over and over on the forex market. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and share for others.